welcome to Miriam's Kitchen. Today's video we're going to be watching how to make South Indian sambar using Instant Pot. And we are starting off with Instant Pot in saute mode. And add oil, let it heat up. So you will see that symbol, it says hot on the Instant Pot. Then you are going to be adding this tempering seasonings that we normally use for South Indian. Today I'm using fenugreek and cumin seeds and mustard seeds, which are these basic for any tempering we do for any South Indian dish. And then wait till it splutters, and then I'm going to be adding curry leaves. You can use fresh or dried or frozen, whatever, any form. You could use that. And then dry red chilies, and then some green chilies and some garlic and pearl onions. The pearl onions today I'm using is the one from frozen section from the Indian store, which is pretty good, has its own taste that gives to the sambar, so it's good. And then I will add some cilantro and some tomatoes, and then let's give it a quick stir and wait like a minute till they are all incorporated together. Then comes the vegetables. Normally what I used vegetables for the sambar are drumsticks, eggplant, though those are like basic. And then if you want, you can add some carrots. Bell pepper is also a very good one. But if you're using potato, please be easy on it because it will really thicken up the sambar. So go like really like half a potato or something like that. So the total vegetables I'm using, I would say they add up to like 2 to 3 cups maximum for this. And then I will also give every details in the description box. So go ahead and stir it for like couple of minutes, and then we will add the spices. So couple of spoon of Himalayan pink salt, and then sambar powder, which can be of any brand. This is Archie sambar powder. You can get Sakti sambar powder or Brahmin sambar powder, whichever is available for you. And then add some chili powder if you want little more heat in your sambar. So I just like add a little bit chili powder and turmeric, which is like all basic stuff for the South Indian cooking. And stir it up, and then let's give it a minute, and then I will be adding the tamarind soon. And the water here, like it's like no exact measurements, you could always eyeball it. We just need to look at how the consistency you want, because usually sambar gets to thicken up so much even after cooking, after you put in the fridge, everything, like it also always thickens up. So I would say I'll add like a cup and a half of water, and then the tamarind, and then this cooked dal. I will give the instruction for you how to cook this dal in the Instant Pot before we start this thing. I have done that. And then like you see that it's really thickening up, right? I would really want to add some water, and pretty much done. If you wanted to take a taste at this point, you can taste your sambar, and if you wanted to add salt or chili powder or tamarind, whatever, like people have their own choice of taste, like you can alter at this point. I also add a little sugar to make it like a binding thing. It really makes a difference. I believe all the restaurants do that, and I really like it, so I do that. It makes a difference. And that's it. I'm just going to pressure cook. So I would cancel this saute mode, and then I would do pressure cook, seal it, and then let's pressure cook for 5 minutes, and let's do a natural pressure release. We're not going to do quick release, so let it release naturally, and then it will be ready to go. Cook some steamed rice or eat with dosa or idli. Perfect South Indian sambar. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and comment. So I will see you soon with more interesting videos with IP videos. Thanks. Bye.